Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. I've got a Porsche 986 Boxster that we just finished replacing the alternator. We rebuilt the starter motor and rebuilt the starter motor and the alternator ourselves. So if you have one, just send it to me and I can rebuild it for you. You'd have to buy a new one. But I'll show you the big difference. That's the brand new one, and that's the old one. Look at that. Look how noisy the bearing is. And that's the brand new one again. Okay, now we're gonna start the car, but before I notice, see the terminal is not really down. It's not flush like that one there. See how flush that one is? So every time you do battery, make sure it's flush. So just get a screwdriver, put it in the middle there, twist it at the same time, push it down like that. So now it's flush. We're gonna do it up, and then we're gonna put the charge, check the charge rate of the alternator before we give it to the customer. All right, now we're gonna test the battery. So we hooked up our battery tester to the actual battery there. So it says 550 CCA, so we're going to go to 550, which is that one there. So we're just going to test it anyway. Got 84%, 82%, so it needs to be charged up. At least we know it's still alright to crank it now, so we're going to start it up. As you can see, it's running at 14 volts, which is probably the best. That's perfect. Alternator is charging the battery right now, so I'm going to show you again. And we're going to put everything back together and then give the car back to the customer. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.